Howdy guys, this is going to be the install video for the Key Fob Surround by s00nish. So here we have the OEM key fob, the s00nish Key Fob Surround, a T5 Torx bit, and a flat screwdriver. Now first thing what we're going to go ahead and do is go ahead and remove the back side, which is with the Rivian logo. We're going to remove that, and that just pops right off like so. And this is going to be the battery side, and we have 3 Torx bits here, so we're going to go ahead and unscrew those. Set that aside. Okay, so now that we have the 3 screws out, we're going to go ahead and flip it over and go ahead and take off the back side. And if the surround actually pops off, if the OEM surround falls off, that's fine, like so. And I'm going to go ahead and just pop this off because this makes the next step a little bit easier. Okay, we are done with the OEM ring. We'll go ahead and put that aside. Now, if you look at the internals here, we have one side that has like a little bit of an extra lip here. See how this is flush here? And then on the other side, it actually has a little bit of overhang. Well, if you look on the surround, one side has like an inset on it. What we're gonna do is go from the bottom and kind of drop that in on the other side. My battery fell out, and we'll just drop that battery back in. And that's in. So now we'll go back to this side, put on this side with the buttons, the plastic piece with the buttons. That's in place. And now we'll go ahead and put in the 3 screws, our Torx screws. Doesn't matter which one you start with, just go ahead and get that installed. You don't need to over tighten these. Just make sure they're snug. It's not going to make it any different. And our last one. Okay, then we'll pop on the battery cover side. And there we go. With the Key Fob Surround, you are going to get this little ringlet here, snap ring, and you'll have that to go ahead and connect your keys to, and we're all set. Looks fantastic. I look forward to seeing all the other colors out there. Have a good one, guys.